Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Meta Business Suite for Ads Income step by step clearly. To register with Meta Business Suite for Ads Income, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Meta Business Suite website. Click on the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. If you already have a Facebook account, select Continue with Facebook. If you don't have an account, choose Create Account. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Meta. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Meta Business Suite login page. Enter your email and password to log in. You will be greeted with a dashboard. Click on Get Started to begin setting up your business profile. Fill in your business details, including name, address, and phone number. Upload a profile picture and cover photo for your business page. Once your profile is complete, go to the Ad Accounts section. Click on Create Ad Account. Follow the prompts to name your ad account and select the appropriate time zone and currency. Set up your payment method by selecting Payment Settings. Enter your payment information, including credit card or bank details. After setting up your payment method, navigate back to the dashboard. Explore the available advertising options and choose your preferred ad type. To start creating ads, click on the Create Ads button. Follow the on-screen instructions to design your first advertisement. Review your ad settings and make adjustments as needed. Finally, click on Publish to launch your ad campaign. Your account is now set up, and you can start generating income through ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.